6 now. Incandescent bulbs will soon be a thing of the past. As of last week, 40 or 60-watt bulbs are no longer being manufactured. Consumer reporter John Matarese shows you what your options now are.
One of the biggest changes shoppers will see in the new year is the disappearance of the light bulbs that we've used for more than a century. Stores can now only sell their remaining stock of traditional incandescent bulbs. And when they're gone, they're gone.
Say goodbye to the light bulbs that date back to Thomas Edison. As of January 1st, 2014, 40 and 60-watt incandescent bulbs are banned and can no longer be manufactured or imported into the U.S. This follows last year's phase out of 75 and 100-watt bulbs. It's angering a lot of people who don't like blue-looking CFLs, according to Home Depot's Roger Gable.
A lot of people don't like the color. They don't like the light that it gives off. They don't like the shape, the weird thing. People are like that familiar shape of the light bulb.
But there's now good news if you're not a fan of squiggly bulbs. Stores are rapidly switching to LED bulbs. They look like old-fashioned incandescents, but will save energy and last for years.
Everybody likes this bulb. This is what they grew up with.
Until this year, LEDs cost about $20 each. But good news, this new LED bulb from Cree, sold at Home Depot, costs just $9. And prices are expected to fall even more in the months ahead. They look like standard bulbs and give off a warm light, not like the cold blue of a CFL. Gable tells me if you absolutely love the old incandescent, you might want to snap some up now before they're gone. But he says falling prices on LEDs may soon make you forget about old-fashioned bulbs.
It's important to point out that not all incandescent bulbs are disappearing. Skinny candelabra bulbs, some three-way bulbs, and specialty appliance bulbs will continue to be manufactured. But if you just like those basic 40-watters, grab them before they're gone so you don't waste your money. I'm John Matarese.